Good day guys, being here. So today we're going to model this one, and also we're going to model the railing as well. Okay, so I think we did one. So this is a video I did. So talk about how to use I believe adaptive family to create this one, and also another video using Dynamo. So today I'll just because it's so this is a quick one that I just did. So I'm going to use adaptive family to create this one again, and also we're going to create this railing. So which is, as you can tell, it's an adaptive family, and very simple to create. Okay, so let's start. So first we're going to create one of these steps. I'll just create a family. So it will be a generic model, adaptive. Okay, so now let's place 1 point, draw on world plan. I'll just place onto the level reference level. Okay, level 1, and now maybe I'll just drag to the middle, and then so of course it will become an adaptive point, and also I'll just copy it up, CC copy it up, and create another adaptive point. So now we can create a spline through points and make a reference line. Okay, so then the next step is we're going to place a point, use draw on face, and onto this reference line. Okay, and then we're going to create a reference, a profile of that step. So I'm going to use I'll just draw a very quick one. Maybe I'll just do a rectangular shape. Okay, so and then draw on world plan, set world plan, pick the horizontal world plan at this point, and I'll just click on this top. So yeah, I can just do it from here. So I'll just roughly not sure on the size, maybe make it 500 by 3 meter, or maybe 24 for example. Okay, so and then I'm going to just move it to roughly to the place. Okay, move to here, I move it back by 300 for example. Okay, so now this will be it, and then I'm going to select these and create a form, and then click anywhere to create this solid. So I know I'm going to use 170, maybe 170 for the thickness, for the height of that thread. So, and this is it. And then I want to control the height of this point. So see here. So I'm going to let me think. I'm going to add a parameter to it. Okay, so instead of normalized curve parameter, so I'm going to change it to segment length. Okay, so segment length. And okay, so another thing I wanted to do is I wanted to add rotation angle to this point as well. So which is here. Click on this. I'm going to maybe just create a parameter. So I'll call it A instance, and OK. So now I'm going to use the create a reporting parameter to measure the distance between point 1 and 2, and use this reporting parameter to control the angle of this point. So so we need to add a reporting parameter first. So set world plan, pick this world plan on this reference line, DI dimension. Make sure you pick the point. So you can see you pick the adaptive point. Okay, so the bigger one. So now this is a dimension between these two adaptive points, and then select this dimension, and then we can create a reporting parameter. I'll just call it RP instance and a reporting. So click OK. So now what I'm going to do is go to family types. We want to use this reporting parameter to control the angle, this one. So we need to have a formula. So we can't straight away use this reporting parameter and divide it by a number. So for example 170 it won't work. So because the inconsistent units, because this is reporting parameter, this is a length, and this A is an angle, okay, is an angle, so it won't work. So what we need to do is we need to have another parameter. So this another parameter will be an angular parameter. So I'm going to just type in, maybe I use a name n instance and an angle parameter. Okay, for this n, I'm going to just give it a number. So this will, so actually we will be able to use this number to control. Okay, so now I just type in maybe 1 for now, and then go back to the parameter a. So this time what we can do is we can use a reporting parameter divided by a number, okay, a number or a distance or a length. Now it becomes a number parameter, and then times times n, which is an angle parameter. So this formula becomes an angle, so which means we can use this one for this. Okay, so click on OK. So now you will see if I drag this point up and down, it will rotate. See, it will rotate this rotate this point actually. Okay, and also another thing is I want this point to stay at this point. So actually, hang on. Previously we did segment length. Oh, why do we do that? I can't remember, so I'll just type in 0, that's fine. So now I'm going to load this one into sorry, not this one, let's go back. I'm going to create a new parameter, actually maybe we can just place it here. So I'll just move it away. Okay, move it somewhere. I'll just move it, okay, move it here. So I'm going to place another one here. Okay, so first same, just draw a point and use draw on word plan, and pick and place. Maybe I'll just set word plan onto, make sure it's onto a level 1, so which is this. Okay, now I'll just place here. Just, you can actually place it wherever you like, but usually we just play in the middle. And also I'm going to just copy this one up. Okay, so roughly there. Okay, and then we can create a spline through points, make it reference line, and then select this divide. A reference line. We're going to use divided path, and with this divided path selected, so we can change the layout from fixed number to fixed distance. Okay, so I'm going to type in 170. Okay, and then we have all these nodes, right? So now we can I'm going to select this divided path and type HI, so make sure there's nothing else, so we won't accidentally place onto the wrong thing. Okay, so now create component. So which this is this family 8? Yes, correct. So family 8, again create component family 8. So I'm going to place, so from the first one go up to the second one. Okay, so now I'll just escape twice and H this one again. So I won't accidentally place onto this adaptive family. Okay, so make sure you place onto the nodes. So now create another one from the first one to the second one. So now type HR to bring back both. Okay, I think, okay, so here now I know why we need that that parameter. So we need to see they are both in the same location because we don't have a parameter for this point. So currently it's just 0, but we want this one to go up when we place the second one, right? So we need to let me think. We need to use the reporting parameter -170, which is the thickness of this one, right? So now I think let's do it. So let's create a parameter. So this time I'm going to call it what do we call it? Doesn't matter. Thickness, okay, th, instance, and OK, and go back to family types. So this thickness, actually it's not thickness, it's more like an offset. Maybe let's just rename it, call it offset. Offset, okay, offset equals reporting parameter minus 170. Okay, so and of course all these 170, if you want to, you can change. Okay, you can create a different parameter. So you can say, oh, the thickness of this, so to be, a parameter, and then you can control, and then all these formula, you can replace this 170 with that parameter. So okay, so now you have full control of that. So yep, I think this will be it. So you can see it will place up depending on the reporting, the value of the reporting parameter. So now let's load this back and overwrite. Now you will see these two become, not overlapping anymore. And okay, so now we can say that the angle difference between them are very small. So what we can do is we can go, where is it? It's great. I think we need to. Why it's great? So let's have a look. Edit family. Go here. Oh, sorry. I shouldn't have placed this one. So don't make this mistake. So when you put a number in formula, it means this one's fixed. Okay, so just remove it. Now you will be able to control this. So click OK, load this back, and overwrite. Now this time, if you select this one, you will see this is, now you can change. But still, we want to control. We don't want to, select multiple, because currently this is an instance parameter. So we probably want this to be a type parameter instead. Okay, so let's go back and go to family types. Go here. So see this default means instance parameter. So let's change this one to type parameter. Click OK, load it back, overwrite. Now select this, go edit type, go here. So with this, now we can try a different number. So try 5, still too small. 12, yeah. So you can just try a different angle. Maybe reduce 13. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so once you're happy, and then we can select these two and click on repeat. So this will create all the rest of this. Oh, yeah, I think this one's fine. Maybe we can tab select this one, just delete it. So okay, now we have these stairs. So next step is we're going to add some railing, right? So go back to this family. So I'll just very quickly, because depending on the width, so for example, this is currently 500, we might want to add, maybe 1, 2, 3, right? So the easiest way you can do is you can just place a point, use draw on face, and then you can just place onto the surface. So anywhere. So for example, I'll just roughly place 1 point here, and then maybe I'll measure from this side, maybe 50, for example. I'll copy this one, maybe 120, or maybe we need more. So another 120, maybe we need more. Yeah, I think that's. Oh, hang on. Looks like when we copy, it becomes not face space anymore, because so you can see the size of the point. So if it's a small, it means it's been placed onto the surface. But if it's bigger, so you can move it away. Okay. So now what we're going to do is select the point. Use here. So if you pick new host, you need to place it manually, right? So but if you use, we can't do that. There's no pick reference. That's okay. Maybe we just need to use pick host. So and then I'll just roughly place them there. But Okay, so okay, that's all. And then we can just place another point, use draw work plan, set work plan, pick this point, okay, and place onto the point. Click OK, select it, and we can offset it by a number. So for example, 1 meter. So now we have this, and then we can just connect them, create a spline through points. So just quickly do the rest, give them a offset. So you can also create a parameter, so you can control this. So I'm not going to create any form, or so I'll just use this model line to indicate where the balusters are. Okay, so last one, draw work plan, set work plan, tab, click OK, and 1 meter. Okay, so select the point, spline through points, no reference line, so because I want them to be visible. So now if I load this one into the project, overwrite, you will see those vertical members. Okay, yeah. Now the last thing, we will need to have a railing, right? A railing. So a railing is very simple. So we just need to create a new family, and it just need to be a adaptive family again. So go here, open. So we need multiple points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, for example. Okay, so we might need more, but create spline through points and make it maybe a reference, or for now I just make it a model line instead of reference line. So and I forgot to make them adaptive points. So also just one extra tip or trick. So if you need to add more points, so for example you already have this reference line or model line, if you want more points, you can just place a point and use draw on face and place onto the line, select this point and make point driving. Okay, so this become part of the driving points, and then you just need to make adaptive and then just rename them. Okay, renumber them, sorry, and that's all. So now we have 13 instead of 12, right? So it will control this line. Okay, Control Z. Now we're going to load this one into that family. Now we can start to place. So for example, I'll just place from here one, skip a few because we probably don't have that many enough points. So we just place manually, but still quite simple, right? Just place on this, and it looks like because when we create all these balusters, we use the same height. If you want to all these balusters to match the railing, it's very simple. You just need to adjust the height of each one. That's all. We only have 13 points. So yeah, so I think that's it. So if you want more, you can just add more points and then continue up. Okay, so and also for these ones, so you just need to go back to this one. So for example, you can just increase this one. This is I need to be 1050, for example. This one needs to be 1100. This one needs to be 1150, for example. Now if I load this one into that family, override, and it will say it go probably not close enough, right? So close enough. So so this is almost there. Now let's just do the final step. Can we just do a railing with a diameter? So yeah, that's very simple. Just go back again here. So this time we're going to change this one to a reference line and then place a point, use draw on face. Okay, so place onto this, and then circle reference, circle, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick this work plan on this point, create a circle. I'll just make it maybe 15 mil radius, which is 30 mil diameter. I'll copy this one and select this point, pick your host, place it, select this profile, control select this profile, control select this path, create a form, select this point, place it to one end. Hang on, what's going on here? Yeah, sometimes it happens, so don't worry. So let's doesn't work here. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll just move this up a little bit and try again. So type 0, yeah, it works. Don't know why. And then try 1. Okay, so that's it. Now we just need to load this one into that family again and override, so it becomes a railing, right? So, and also if you want to control this one, so it's also very simple. Just go back to control the size of this railing. You just need to here select this tab, try to select this radius, try to select this profile. You can create a radius by click on this, or if you do want to add a diameter instead, type HIDI diameter. Okay, and then you can just create a parameter with this, or maybe call it D, and type parameter. Okay, and then HR, we go back to the other end, select, try to select the profile, so tab, select, yeah, this one, HIDI diameter. Oops, okay, so I think it's there because we isolate the category, so type HR. Oh, it's not there. Sorry, HH. Let's do it again, DI diameter. Click on this. Oh, maybe we need to click here somewhere. HR. Doesn't work. I don't know what's going on here. DI. Oh, yes. I think. Okay, so this happens, right? So because when we do dimension, we need to set work plan before we place, because previously the work plan is being set to this, which is not parallel with this work plan. So that's why we can't create a dimension here. So we need to set work plan, pick here, okay, and then DI diameter. Okay, so yeah, that's why. So it's quite tricky one. So before dimension, always set a proper work plan. Okay, and now we can just link this one to a D, and then we just need to select the point, drag this back to this end, and that's it. So now we will be able to control this the size of this railing. So load this back and override. You won't see any change because we didn't change the size, but we can. So edit type, see here. So for example, if I type 40, it will change the size of this railing. Yep, I think this is it. So we use adaptive family to create a railing, and then we add this vertical member, balusters, and then we use adaptive family to create this railing. Okay, so very simple exercise. So this is exactly the same. So I'm going to just maybe I'll just delete this one, and I will upload this family so you can have a play. Okay, so if you want, so you can just simply change the shape of this one to create a different one, or you can just select it and edit, change the angles if you wanted to. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please just post it here. Okay, yeah, post it here. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.